So this is your cream cheese.
This is my cream cheese icing. Okay, so I have cream cheese here. Okay, so I'm just mixing some berry blast with cream cheese. I have a very nice mixed berry loaf, blueberry, lemon and blueberry loaf. So we are going to pair it with that. My cream cheese is ready. So this is a blueberry, lemon and blueberry cream cheese pound. So I just want it to look like a Victoria sponge cake. You all must have seen a Victoria sponge, right? So very good for your plain simple cakes. It just takes it to the next level. I also recently tasted these. Very yum. This is with egg. The cookies are eggless. Are you an egg? Okay. Perfect. You know, it's just to give you the feel and the idea how these pastes go into your cakes, into your bakes and your cookies, chocolates. There are so many things that you all can use this in. You all have like a quick order, quickly use these pastes and you all are like done, sorted. Everybody has whipped cream with them, right? You're a baker.
The base is berry and the filling is also berry.
I'm sorry?
The base is blueberry.
The base?
And the
Yeah.
filling is berry.
No, in fact, I'm using a mixed berry. You can use a raspberry, you can use, there are so many berry flavors that they have. So actually it will go very good, very nicely with all the berry flavors, citrusy. Can you just hold this for me?
So this is fresh berry you have used? Or is
I have used fresh frozen berries. Yeah. You can use the dried ones also. No. Yeah. I will also want you all to taste this. It's like tastes so good. Very nice it tastes.
this is so beautiful. Can you just
All fresh berries and cream cheese. So it's a little dense loaf. It tastes nice with cream cheese. Should I start? You don't have to do much actually. I have some icing sugar. I'm just going to dust it over it and I'm done. You're ready to serve. And I'm done with this and we will hey my
give me a pretty smile now?
thank you. So now for the cookies, I have buttercream. Normally I usually like to sandwich my cookies with buttercream and it goes very well. Very stable also it is. So I'll start with buttercream. Now I have assorted flavors. I want you to taste how each flavor goes well with the vanilla cookie. Even you can even have a chocolate base इसके लिए. ज़रूरी नहीं है this has to be vanilla. I will just give it a quick. Which flavor you all will want in your cookie? Any particular flavored cookie you all want to have? There's one very nice orange Belgian orange. Blackcurrant also, yeah. Which one did you say? This one. Heat? हाँ, थोड़ा सा. So also these paste can be heated. माइक्रोवेव में हीट हो सकता है. थोड़ा जैसे आपको लिक्विड कंसिस्टेंसी चाहिए वो भी हो सकता है. ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं हो सकता है. These can go also in your oven. You can bake with them. They are bake stable. Yeah. So it can go in your cake batter. जैसे अभी आपका वनीला जो मेरा जो केक था उसके अंदर भी I could have added ripples and just added like slight swirls of it and it would have still come out very nice. So and they are fat based, so they are nice. Use it with your ganache use करो. With cream के साथ भी बहुत अच्छा जाता है. Now you've seen the cream cheese. Once it starts becoming stable enough, I stop. There's no proportion. I whip the cream cheese first. I add little sugar. I whip it well. Then I whip the cream, whipping cream अलग से. Yeah, and then I mix it. Yeah. Fold, or you can just mix them all together. Bring them all together with the hand mixer also. हो गया मैम. See, like you see how nice and liquidy it's become. So ऐसा नहीं है कि you can't keep it, you can't warm it. You can easily warm it. Yeah. Again, can somebody hold this for me? Thank you. This is buttercream. This is icing sugar and butter. Now, one more. I want you all to taste this particular flavor. Yeah. Chocovita is also very good. Chocovita I can directly put in the cookies. Yeah, very nice, very nice. There's one orange Belgian that you should taste. So it's one of my personal favorites. So you all must taste that. So I'm just making that. If you all have had lint orange, anybody, so it tastes very close to that. This is orange Belgian. Orange Belgian. This is blackcurrant. This is orange Belgian. एक और कर ले फटाफट. हाँ. So I'm doing one very different flavor. This is a very different flavor and I really liked it. Sweet, savory. It's called Pani Puri. Yeah. So let's see how this comes together. This is Mr. Mayank Ratnani's favorite flavor, by the way. That's why I'm doing it. Okay, Mayank? Pani Puri cookies are for you. Okay. So he wanted me to do this in buttercream, though I would have loved it just putting it directly in the cookies also. Okay, so we'll just start piping. Start filling, I'm sorry. Please remember, guys, any of you all picking this up thinking this is a green color peppermint thing, no, this is pani puri, okay? How many of you all have tried like very different flavors in your cakes? Have you all tried that, or you all like to go with the basics, or you all like to go with the safe ones? Play safe. How many of you all play safe? आपने रसमलाई और ये सारे केक्स ट्राई किए हुए हैं फ्लेवर्स? रसमलाई तो एवरीबडी इज है ना, एवरीबडी इज ट्राइड इट. Can you open the Choco Vita, somebody? Yeah, please. No, Choco Vita, I think we can put it directly. This is the orange Belgian. Choco Vita. So Choco Vita, once you taste this, it will taste something like your Bonvita, crispy, crunchy bhi hai, and it tastes something like your Bonvita, and I think I really like it. I'm going to use it very soon. I will just directly add it to the cookie. You can also mix it with your buttercream, okay? I'm just adding it directly. Okay, Hema, we are done. We have few more cookies. Any other flavor anybody would like to taste? Please tell me. I will add that. French biscuit. Can you get me filter coffee? Anybody is a fan of filter coffee here? Coffee? Coffee? Peanut? Coffee. Let's have some coffee. Yeah. डाल दो. हाँ. बस. You all should taste. You all should smell this. No. Smell this. I mean, it's just actual coffee. Just pass this on. I mean, lovers of coffee will definitely love this. Whoever like can't stay without coffee. हाँ
देख देख सारी बड़ी प्लेटें वहाँ कर दी।